Yeah, wing design has always fascinated me. My old man used to fly the Canberra, the English electric Canberra, when it first came out as a bomber. There's something else the Americans went, ooh, yeah, we'll have some of them. We'll make some of them. And they brought out the, what was it, Martin B something, 57. And they thought they were great. They thought, yeah, these are alright, not bad. And they said, we'll make them better. So what they did is they put bigger wings on them, and which obviously would cause more drag, but these things went really high. They used them as spy planes. They play around with them a lot. Now, this has always been a reason if I ever invented something or came up with a good idea, I wouldn't give it to the British, right? Because they'll poo-poo the idea. Say nonsense, nonsense, like they did to Whittle. Remember Whittle, who invented the jet engine? They said, no, 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 Whittle. Planes will always have propellers and they go round and we don't want jet engines. And that was probably for two reasons. One, they were stupid. And the other reason was they were probably working on the jet engine themselves and wanted all the credit for it because they're greedy and manipulative. And I'm not saying the Americans aren't either, but they tend to be more, what's the word I'm looking for? They like ideas and they use them and they develop them a lot easier than the British will. They'll always hold you back in Britain. That's what they're reputed for. Anyway, so any good idea that comes up, like the Harrier, for example, the Hawker Harrier jump jet, they went, ooh, there's another one. That's an interesting concept. We'll have some of those, and do you mind if we build some of our own? And then they built the McDonnell Douglas AV8 and sold them back to the British, who called them the Sea Harrier. Yeah, look, we've got Sea Harriers, Hawker Harriers. No, they're not. Are you sure they're not McDonnell Douglas AV8s? No, 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 they're not. Well, as good an idea as and concept as the Harrier actually was, it was groundbreaking, but it was crap, wasn't it? Rubbish. But the idea was there. The idea, the seed had been sown, and other developments came from it. And so is my plan of the bi-wing, going back to the bi-wing configuration where we have two wings per side instead of just one. I mean, the Germans even had a triplane. Do you remember the triplane? Fokker with a tiny tail. I thought, well, the tail should have been bigger. Anyway, we're missing the subject now. I think the Americans should look into my idea because I don't have a wind tunnel to check it out with. And they should see how close you can get two wings before they start to interfere with each other. And you can put box sections between the top wing and the bottom wing. When you worked out what is the closest you can get it, and then you've got in fact a sandwich of two wings together in one wing. And I think that's swept as well, like a tornado on swiveling box sections, and you don't bleed any energy from the tips either because you've got a box section at each end. So it looks a bit like a ram air parachute, but with holes at the back as well as the front. And by the way, I thought of it first. Look at the date on this video.